Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off typing indicator on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all I'm going to open my Instagram direct messages or Instagram DM. Click this icon on the top right, and then you can choose a room chat you want to turn up the typing indicator on. For example, I'm going to disable the typing indicator on this room chat. I'm going to hide my typing or hide when I'm typing from this account. So I'm going to open this room chat and click on the account name, and we can go to the privacy and safety, and we can turn off the typing indicator right here. Just click on the circle button, and now the typing indicator is turned off. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn off typing indicator on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.